Yesterday night we went to the White Goa, had our dinner, came back home and slept because, as I said, I was not keeping well. So I took my medicines and slept. So today I'm feeling much better. We're checking out of this property. There's no Wi-Fi here. It's not really pet friendly. So we booked another property in Calangute, and we'll head out to Calangute in some time. We had carried some bread and butter, so we had bread and butter for breakfast, and now we'll get ready and head to Calangute. We checked out from there finally, and now we are heading to Calangute. Let's see how the route is. We are heading to the burger factory, and it is in Anjuna. So I've been driving for like 10 minutes from Calangute now, and we're on the way to Anjuna. The burger factory, and I've been wanting to come here for so many years now because I think I visited burger factory at least 5 years back. They really serve some yummy burgers. They give like huge burgers, and I always love them. So let's see how it is this time. This is the burger what I was telling about. So I've cut it into half because I'm not sure if I can eat. So wow. This was Burger Factory. I love it. I hope you guys also like it. So this is on the Calangute Anjuna road. If you are coming from Calangute, this is on the Anjuna road near to Anjuna beach, and it's pretty economical. I'm sure you all will like the burger and the pricing as well. I actually forgot to show you where I'm staying today. So I'm staying at the Sunshine Guest House. I'm sure you cannot see the board. So it's Sunshine Guest House. This is in Calangute, and I got the booking through Airbnb, so you can easily find it on Airbnb as well. So I'm paying some 4,500 bucks per night for this place, and it is a pet friendly place. They also have a dog here, so my dogs definitely had friend to play along. So if he comes out tomorrow, I'll definitely take a clip of that and show you all. So rest all details you'll get it on Airbnb. We are going to have our dinner now. So I have a friend of mine. God, that was some really high beam on my face. So we are going to Damn Good Momos. I have a friend of mine, and she's the owner of Damn Good Momos. So we are gonna try the momos out there, and I'll definitely give you an honest feedback about it. here at Damn Good Momos, and I've ordered for some authentic Himalayan chicken, and I'm gonna try them.
So she wants it like it's healthy momos with better quality, as organic as possible, and
Nice.
to the masses.
So I got these authentic Himalayan momos, and they serve this with four different kinds of sauce or chutney, whatever you like to call. So this is a mint chutney, this is a chili and tomato, this is a sesame, and this is the normal mayonnaise. And these are steam momos. You only get steam momos here because the owner is a bit health conscious and she wants everybody to be health conscious. So we are gonna eat healthy. Wow. These are really authentic. Nice. I forgot to tell you guys about the location of Damn Good Momos. Actually, you get it on the Google map. If you put Damn Good Momos, you will see them on the map, and it is in Anjuna. So it is on the Anjuna road is what I guess, but it is in Anjuna. You will get it on the map. And after that, we just had a small plan to come to, I think the name is Kefi. Yeah, the name of this place is Kefi. It has a parking lot, so I've kept my car and the dogs are in the car. So we'll sit for like some time and go back. Probably we'll have some dinner, some starters or something like that. And this place is open 24/7, so you guys can come here anytime. So this place is also pet friendly, so if you are getting your pets along, you can definitely come to this place.